The diet?
Yeah.
Everybody's talked about the defensive line in this diet. Could you give us a hint what it is?
It's a plant-based diet. I don't like to say vegan. Vegan has a weird stigma attached to it, but we call it plant-based, where you're cutting out basically all meat, all dairy, and we try to take it to the next level. It's something I've been doing for about 7 months. Started back in the off season, working with a nutritionist. Really started making it a lifestyle. My wife got on board, and she already knew how to cook. She just had to learn how to cook differently. And so once she got her grasp around that, it was downhill. And so a couple of the guys, they seen that I was doing it, but they had watched some documentaries and did their own research. And
what convinced me, I watched a documentary called What the Health, and then Charity, she does a great job of cooking food, and that's really what took me over.
I'm all on board. At first I gave guys a hard time, but I couldn't help resist. Just eating healthy. And I'm all about that, and really it's just been spreading throughout the locker room.
They had these vegan hamburgers that they were eating, and about 2 weeks kept going by, and I was like, "What is that?" And they would never let me taste a piece. So finally, I broke down, tasted it, and I've been in ever since, and it's good,
It's Red Pill Vegan back at you again, this time reporting on some plant-based news out of the NFL. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos like this. The Tennessee Titans have a bunch of players jumping on board with a plant-based meal plan. It looks like this started off last year in the 2017 season, instigated by Derek Morgan, and was really catalyzed by his wife and chef, Charity Morgan.
my wife was like, "Hey, I can cook. I'm cooking for you. So if your teammates want a meal, let them know." And so a couple of guys got on board, and so we've been doing that since about early August. So it's been working well.
In that clip, he's actually referring to August 2017. Now, the 2018 season is getting ready to start, and the plant-based meal plan is in its second year, with 15 players now on board.
Is it hard to keep your weight up?
No, I'm actually, right around what I was last year. Just gotta eat more. You gotta be more intentional about eating, more frequently. But I think once you get into a routine, it just becomes, natural. You don't think about it too much.
Y'all gotta see this, man. I really want y'all to see. The star of the show is Charity Morgan putting together these plant-based meals. I just want y'all to look at this awesome food Chef Charity Morgan is putting together for this plant-based meal plan. Some of these look like meals I make all the time, and she's even got some good-looking smoothies. But then, she really takes it to a whole new level when it comes to player favorites and the fusion of comfort foods and vegan transition foods. It's hard to argue with vegan fried chicken and waffles with mac and cheese, and her take on a vegan double-double with cheese. Was that buffalo potato salad? Yeah, I'm alright with that. So the side effects are faster recovery from workouts, and you have to eat more food. Yeah, I'm sure most athletes would hate that. If you want to see more videos about plant-based athletes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you know what time it is. And keep your eyes peeled for that documentary, The Game Changers, coming this fall. Living that plant-based life, Red Pill Vegan, next.